Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? K plus left, cleft. CH plus hen, hen. Cleft chin. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car. As we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome again to our program. And please join me in welcoming back the lady who has two daughters with doll collections. And on yesterday's program, this lady won a doll collection. So I have a feeling the daughters are going to benefit. Beverly Walker is her name. Welcome back, Beverly.
Thank you, Alex. Thank you.
Are you going to give the dolls to the girls, or are you going to keep them for yourself so that you will all have collections?
I don't know. I'll take a look at them. I think they have display cases, so
oh, they
we'll
do?
put them out.
So these are special dolls,
Special
very expensive ones. All right. Good luck to you on the program
Thank
today.
you.
You've already won over $2,000 in prizes.
Great?
You bet. Today you get to face the challenge of this young man, Jim Hamilton. Hello, Jim.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Now, where are you from?
I'm originally from Anchorage, Alaska.
Really?
Yep.
I've been up there a couple of times. It's very, very beautiful.
Very beautiful.
And what are you doing here in California?
I'm currently down here in Fullerton going to optometry school.
I see. Now, when you graduate, are you going to work in Southern California, or are you going back to Alaska?
Perhaps stay here for a little bit, but I don't know if I'll return to Alaska yet. I'm still thawing out, so...
Really?
Yeah, I might stick around a little bit.
Well, I have never been there in the dead of winter. I've been there sort of in the spring and in the fall when it's beautiful. And we were driving along just outside of Anchorage, and two moose were walking down the highway right in front of us. All the cars stopped for them, of course. They have the right of way.
Right.
It's fascinating. I love that. You're out there close to nature. Take a look over here. This is a lovely prize for you two.
A touch of elegance, K Jewelers pearl necklace with an elegant centered design of a 14-karat gold knot, sparkles with round diamonds, furnished by K Jewelers.
It is gorgeous, Beverly, and you can find it on our game board in the lower right-hand corner. That'll be easy to remember. 25 for the jewelry. We have a holiday in Jackson Hole, Wyoming.
Oh.
Big ski resort there, I believe. Jim, you get to pick first. You're the challenger.
Can't say I've ever been to Jackson Hole. Let's see if we can find the trip under number 11, please.
Dining room.
And a match for it under number 13.
Designer table lamps. No match. Beverly?
I would like to see the trip under number 3.
Unfortunately, we have golf clubs under number 3.
Okay, let's go for a match or a wild card under number 21.
21, a gold pen and pencil set. No match. Jim?
Okay, let's try and open up the corner in number 5, please.
Chocolates.
Okay. And a match for that under number 1.
No, there's the Jackson Hole, Wyoming vacation. Beverly?
Okay, let's go with number 19.
Golf clubs.
And the match is under number 3.
It is indeed. And there is the first match for this game. First prize goes up on Beverly's side of the board, and she gets a look at this puzzle. Pick again.
I would like to see what's under number 12, please.
Jackson Hole, Wyoming.
And the match for the trip under number 1.
Right again. 2 matches in a row for Beverly. And another opportunity to study this puzzle. Will it be enough this time? We have our doubts. So pick again, Beverly.
Number 6, please.
Wallpaper
Wallpaper.
gift certificate.
Oh. How about a match for that wallpaper or wild card under number 4?
Leather garment bag, no match, and Jim, you get another chance.
Okay, let's see what's under number 14, please.
Red take.
And we haven't seen that yet. How about number 22?
No, there's the wallpaper gift certificate. Beverly? Do a little redecorating here.
Okay. Number 2.
Leather garment bag.
And number 9.
Dining room. No match. Jim?
Okay, let's see what's behind number 22, please.
That's the wallpaper gift certificate.
Okay, and I believe the wallpaper was under number 6.
Number 6. Beverly was close a moment ago. She just went to the wrong box. Okay, some wallpaper coming Jim Hamilton's way if he can solve the puzzle. Select again.
Okay, can we see what's behind number 16, please?
There's a wild card. I was wondering when one of those would turn up.
And number 14, I believe, was a take.
It was, indeed, the red take. Nicely done. The other red take is at number 17. Do you want to use it now, or do you want to save it for later?
I'm going to take the trip.
All right, Jackson Hole, Wyoming, possibility for Jim Hamilton. And right now, we'll open 3 panels for his benefit. Pick again.
Okay, can we see what's behind number 11, please?
Dining room?
And the match, I believe, under number 4?
No. That's the leather garment bag. Possibility now for 2 matches here. Beverly?
Number 9.
That's the dining room.
Match under number 11.
That's correct. So that goes up there with the golf clubs, and we open these 2 panels for you. Select again.
Number 7.
Chocolates.
And number 5.
Chocolates. Swing it open. Go again.
Number 13.
Designer table lamps.
And number 21.
Gold pen and pencil set. Didn't work. Jim.
Okay, did we see those table lamps under number 25?
Pearl
No, we didn't.
diamond necklace.
Okay, how about number 20?
There's a wild card. Some days the magic works. The other pearl and diamond necklace is at 23. 3 panels, swinging open for Jim Hamilton.
Cut to the quick.
Is it cut to the quick? And Jim is going to enjoy a holiday in Wyoming. Come on, Jim Hamilton. Nicely done. Good solution.
Okay, we have a cut on the finger here. That threw me for a while. I couldn't see it. And a tooth right here. Cut, tooth, and a K plus a wick. Cut, tooth, the quick.
Cut to the quick. Good solution. Well done. There wasn't all that much showing, but just enough for you to solve it. And Beverly, unfortunately, that's your second strike, so we've got to say goodbye. But you do have the doll collection and over $2,000 in prize winnings. I hope you had a good time with us.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You take care, Beverly. So long.
Good luck.
All right, Jim. I said you're going to Wyoming, and you've got a couple of other prizes as well. Gene, tell us.
A wallpaper gift certificate. The look of Bob Mitchell Designs. Fine hand-screened wall coverings and related fabrics offer the latest fashion and coloring from traditional to contemporary designs for your home, furnished by Bob Mitchell Designs and Jackson Hole, Wyoming. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Jackson Hole. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality. Furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 7 nights at the Jackson Hole Racket Club Resort, where leisure and adventure go hand in hand. You may enjoy tennis, racquetball, swimming and skiing, or relax by the fire in your private condominium, furnished by the Jackson Hole Racket Club Resort. And, of course, the beautiful pearl diamond necklace. And Jim, you have a prize package totaling $7,370.
Whoa, boy, that's a big win indeed. And he could double that by winning a brand new car when we come back.
Play.
Somebody in our audience was asking, where's Jackson Hole, Wyoming? Somebody else said, it's in Montana. Strange people here in our audience. Jim, are you ready?
I'm ready.
15 numbered squares for you, and base time on the clock, 35 seconds. Good luck. Go for it.
1, 2,
Nope.
3, 4,
Nope.
2, 4,
Right.
5, 6,
No.
7, 8,
No.
3, 9,
No.
5, 9,
Right.
10, 3,
Right.
11, 12,
No.
7, 13,
No.
14, 1,
No.
8, 6,
8, 6. No.
15, 11,
No.
12, 13.
You are going along beautifully. You missed the Fox match. And again, that happens so often with our contestants. When they miss a match that they think is there and they're almost certain it's there, they'd be willing to bet on it, and it isn't there. It throws them off. But that's okay. You've got $7,370 in prizes. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. And no strikes against you, so you're going to play in 2 more games. You could pick up a lot more. After this, we'll be back. We have a new player to introduce on our program. This lady on my right. Would you all please join me in welcoming Betty Jones. Hi, Betty.
Hi, Alan.
You got a lovely smile. You're happy to be here.
Yes, I am.
You'd be even happier if you won some prizes.
Yeah, and a car. I desperately
And
need
a car?
Yeah.
Now, would the car be for you only, or are you married?
For
You have a family?
me only. Well, I have 4 children.
How old?
And well, they're grown. So now I'm celebrating my life because I started off young with kids, and now they're all gone. So now it's my turn.
Now you get to enjoy yourself.
Yes.
All righty,
yes.
good for you. Well, let's go to work, and we'll show you one of the prizes you and Jim are competing for.
This custom-designed hand-forged pot rack provides quick access to assorted new and antique copper cookware, complemented by pecan and French blue baskets, furnished by Charles & Charles. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. Betty and Jim will show you where you can find the rack copper pots and pans at number 5. Now, you know that in the second game on each program, Betty, we have those 5 seconds bonus for you if you win the game and you find them, make the match, helps you out when you're playing for the car.
Right.
We also have $1,000 right now in our cash pot and a
I
vacation
can
in
use that
Bermuda.
too. All right, I can
So
use
there are
that
all kinds
too.
of wonderful things up there, and you get to go first.
Oh, great. Let's see. Let's go number 9.
Wall-to-wall carpet.
Okay, that sounds good to me. Let's try number 17.
Wall-to-wall carpet. Just like that, Betty Jones makes the match, gets a prize in her column, and gets a look at the puzzle.
Oh, it's way too early.
All right.
Let's see, number 6. I
Red
can use
tape.
a red tape. That'll be my insurance. Let's see if there's another red tape under number 19.
Cash pot. That's
Cash
$1,000. Jim?
Okay, well, let's see if we can open up the corner at number 21, please.
21 is a corner. That's a red take.
Okay, and we just saw that behind number 6.
We did indeed, and there's an early match for you. A little bit of early insurance for Jim Hamilton. Let's open these 2 panels in that first column. Try it again.
Okay, let's start in the corner with number 1, please.
Diamond and emerald pendant.
Wow, okay. Well, let's just see if we can match that behind number 24.
Bedroom set. No match. Betty?
Okay, let's go to work here. Let's get busy under number 12.
Car stereo and speakers.
That's why I need to go with the car. Now, let's see. The mate to that should be under number 18.
18? No, that's a video camera. Jim?
All right. Can we open up the puzzle a little bit under number 8?
Bedroom set.
And the match for the bedroom set under number 24.
Bedroom set is right. Prize for Jim. Now, Betty has the carpeting, wall-to-wall carpeting.
No, I think I'll wait. I think I'll wait.
What have you got against our carpeting?
Oh, nothing. I'm sure it's very nice carpeting.
Some of it is right here, as a matter of fact. Don't you like the feel of
I
that?
was just getting burns on my arm.
I take it he's going to
nice
pass
color.
on the carpeting. Open it up. Pick again, Jim.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 2.
5 bonus car seconds.
All right. Oh, I could really use those, as you can tell by my last attempt. Number 22, please.
Wild card, so you'll get an extra 5 seconds if you make it to the winner's circle. And you solve the puzzle. Can you do that? No solution again. Jim, I didn't ask you this time about the tape because I'm assuming that you're going to tell me when and if you want to go for the carpet.
You're right. Thank you.
Yeah, I anticipated correctly. Pick 2 more numbers.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 11.
Video camera.
And did we see that behind number 20?
No, that isn't where we saw it. Betty.
Oh, number 1.
Diamond and emerald pendant.
And number 20.
20. Lady, remember the jewelry, but not the camera.
Yes, the jewelry.
Jewelry for the lady. Open it up.
Oh, it's still early.
Select again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 5.
Copper pots and pans.
Oh, we haven't seen that. Let's try a match for that under number 16.
Bermuda Beach Resort Vacation. No match. Jim?
Wow. Okay, let's open the middle of the board at number 13, please.
Green take.
And could we match that maybe under number 23?
There's a natural match. Boy, oh boy, you've got both of them now. You've got that diamond and emerald pendant and the carpeting.
I think I'll take the pendant.
Pendant.
Yeah.
All right, we'll use the red take for that,
Okay.
since it doesn't fit quite as well in that slot. And we'll open these 2 panels for you, Jim. Can you solve this puzzle? Select again.
Okay, let's open up number 18, please. And the match behind number 11.
11 is the video camera match. You want to use the green take now?
No, I'll still hold on to it.
Okay. Open these 2 doors for him. Pick again. Whoa, there's the bell. You won't get a chance to use this. Hands on your signaling buttons, please. And we'll start revealing the puzzle. You can ring in as soon as the green light goes on. Number 3, 4, 5, 7, 10, 12, 15, 16, 19. Betty?
Old soldiers never die.
Is it old soldiers never die? Yes. Old soldiers never die. They just fade away. Betty, you got some carpeting, but you won a game, and you're going to get a chance at a car. Let's go over here.
All right.
You can break it down for us.
Hole, so the D, hole, sole of the shoe, sole, J, and horse, jers, nap, spur, die.
Now do the bottom line.
Nap, then the H,
That's it.
and then the fur, and then the die.
Good for you. Obviously, Betty Jones has never done weather for her local television stations, but that's all right. Good solution. You're a winner, and you're going to play for the cars. And, Jim, you've got 1 strike against you.
Okay,
So you're
I'll
going
be
to play
back.
again. We'll see you in that one.
luck.
So long, Jim. All righty, Betty. Let's hear about this prize. James?
Wall-to-wall carpet, Horizon House, plush nylon wall-to-wall carpet. This footprint-fighting casual texture features a stain release for timeless beauty, furnished by Horizon House.
Lovely addition to your home, and when we come back, we'll see if you can win that car you so desperately want.
Yes, I do.
After this.
You can see what I came here in.
We don't want you interrupting Betty because Betty wants to win a car. 15 numbered squares, Betty. 35 seconds. Base time on the clock. Good luck. Do it.
1, 3,
Nope.
4, 6,
No.
7, 9,
No.
10, 12,
No.
13, 15,
No.
2, 13,
No.
5, 8,
Yep.
11, 12,
No.
9, 14,
No.
15, 11.
Yeah. Betty, you started off so slowly. You covered so many numbers. There were 2 matches that you could have made early on that you didn't make. And then you had so many numbers to remember that it became almost impossible. But you've got that carpeting. That's over $1,200 for your home. And you get to play again.
Great.
And we're going to come back after this break. Gene?
Some of today's participants may receive Penn, a performance-match saltwater rod and reel system, a 25 GLS graphite lever drag reel, and slammer fishing rod furnished by Penn. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Marjorie is admiring Betty Jones' T-shirt. And what were you trying to figure out what it says?
It says it every year.
Is that what it says? Yeah. You shop in Beverly Hills? Do you know that one of the prizes we have on our program on occasion is a shopping spree in Beverly Hills? Maybe it'll be in one of the games tomorrow. You're going to come back, right?
Of course I'm coming back.
Okay, she'll be back to play again against Jim Hamilton. We'll see you, we hope, tomorrow. So long.
Bye-bye.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration of Mark Goodson Television Production.